Dogecoin already proved it can reach 90.5 million market cap. Now it's sitting around 6 million, but marketing is ramping up. A VC firm is reportedly discussing a possible $250,000 investment. So could it be the setup for new all-time high? As always, this is not financial advice and I'm not your financial advisor. Always do non research. Now let's check out Dogecoin. So this is official website, and now let me explain you what is actually Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is a Solana-based meme coin built around one very specific idea, perfectly pedicured toes. Yes, that's generally the entire team. And the website immediately represents the project with the slogans 0 toes and 10 billion market cap. So followed by the questions, admit it, you know you love nice pedicured toes, which is a really funny thing to see, and the branding is intentionally ridiculous, exaggerated, and designed to stand out in a meme coin market already filled with dogs, frogs, cats, hats, and countless other internet characters. So this one is really specific, and we can say it's unique. So instead of trying to present itself as a complicated technology platform, Dogecoin leans completely into its identity as a meme. So its main visual is 10 polished toes surrounded by a gold ring with repeated phase including pedicured, polished, prestigious. So 10 of 10 and French tips only, on chain, on feet, which is a really funny thing to see. So the next section of the website is called the Feet of Fortune, so where the project includes its lore. So the website says, while other print GPs, we print tones, which is funny thing to see, and the line is summarize the project's overall approach. So Dogecoin is not attempting to sound serious, it is using absurd humor and recognizable visual branding to compete for attention. So the website explains that in a blockchain ecosystem filled with frogs, dogs, and cats, the team wanted to ask one question: what would happen if meme coin had class? So the answer is Dogecoin. 10 polished and pedicured toes placed inside what is described as a 24-carat ring of solid gold. The token is deployed on Solana, which the website describes as the fastest layer 1 network in the market. So Solana is commonly used for meme coins trading because transactions are generally fast and relatively inexpensive compared to some older blockchain networks. So according to the website, Dogecoin has no transaction tax, no team wallets, and as the project jokingly says, no shame. The website also says the holders are not simply bag holders, they are connoisseurs. So this language is a part of the project's branding strategy. It attempts to make the community feels like a part of an exclusive joke rather than just another group holding a speculative token, which is a really interesting strategy to see right now. So right here you can see in 3 easy steps how to do it. So first step is to get the Solana wallet. So you need to download the Phantom or Backpack. This takes literally a few seconds. And second step is to fund it with Solana. So you need to buy some Solana for exchanges. And the third step is to swap for toes. So just you need to head to Jupiter, how they say, and you need to paste the contract address and just to swap the Solana for toes, which is a really easy thing to do. So this is their Twitter profile, which have almost 2,000 followers, which is amazing thing to see because they just joined on the May of 2026. So this meaning they're just here for the few months, and you can see for that time they made over 500 posts, which is amazing thing to see. So that is meaning they really act on social media, which is really important stuff to know. So because of that, we are going to drop a follow right now, and by scrolling down we can see what are they posting. So their first post is posted 30 minutes ago. So you can see all I see is those coins. So right here you can see market cap for the price. Right here by clicking here we can see everything. So you can see market cap is jumping, you can see everything here jumping, and we can see everything about crypto market cap total. So you can see it's going up. You can see people are really interested to see what is happening, and we can see people are interested to see everything about crypto, which toes is going really good. So by a little bit it's going down more. We can see second post that they're saying they're trending in all countries. By clicking here we can see their placement, and we can see they're right now trending in United States, United Kingdom, Brazil, India, Philippines, and Turkey, which is really amazing thing to see. We can see they're right here. You can see they're first in every these countries, which is amazing thing to see. So that's meaning people are really interested to see what they have to offer. And that post made almost 1,000 impressions, which is amazing because, like I told you before, people are really interested to see what they have to offer. So because of that, we're going to drop a like right now.
So this daily Telegram group, we can see they have 1,300 subscribers. We can see they're really close up to 1,500 subscribers. And right now, I highly recommend you to check the Telegram group because you'll stay updated with everything that is happening with Dogecoin and you'll be first to know when something is happening. So that wraps up our review of Dogecoin. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop those in the comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.